So for the past 2 weeks I worked on a new game that I called New Unity Project, which is an oddly original name for a game considering it's the one popping up when you click on a new project in Unity. Also, for the first time I decided that I sucked at 3D modeling, so all the assets, with the exception of the low poly birds in the sky, are ripped from the asset store. You can now call me an asset flipper. Another main change compared to the older project is that the game is meant for PCs instead of mobile devices like the whole past project. This isn't really new since I made 3 projects for computers in the past, though one of them was a Brackeys Beginner's Course and the other one was abandoned after a few days. The change of platforms also meant that I could test the high-definition render pipeline, which both proved to be a good idea as it gave me access to the shader graphs, the VFX graphs, and it improved the graphics in general, and also a pain in the buttocks, because HDRP uses a new type of material, which means that everything else, like particle materials or thermal materials, are left useless and without any replacement. Even worse, that also means that every asset that is imported at the wrong type of material, which can be easily fixed for the props, and as I said before, it rendered the whole particle system useless, as the only thing that seemed to be supported was the visual effects. I also changed my approach on sound design, as in other project the sound design was only comprised of one music. I made it Boscaciol, loop, no sound effects, no voice line, nothing except for that one obnoxious 8-bit music. The sound design in New Unity project is mostly comprised of royalty-free sound effects and sound effects ripped from the old SCP containment breach called Dark Confinement. You can call me an asset stealer now. I also plan on making voice lines for the game when I release it, though for now I will use a text-to-speech program. Anyway, let's now talk on. You can play the game. I made a Ishayo page, link in the description.